In all your ways, submit to him, and he will make your path straight. Proverbs chapter 3 verses 6. Hello beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. The hair is very nice and warm, so I'm going to take advantage of that and make myself a very good homemade Koobi. That is salted cured tilapia fish. Very well needed in most of our Ghanaian traditional meals. It has this authentic aroma and umami flavor that gives to every dish that you make. So here I am with 3 fresh tilapia fish, and I'm going to go ahead and clean this very well. I'm going to get rid of the gills and all the part that I don't want to have in my tilapia fish, and also it has a little bit of scales. I'm going to get rid of that as well. Then now I'm going to go ahead and introduce the rest of the ingredients. Here I'm having salt, 3 different shades of salt. I have the pink Himalayan salt, I have some sea salt and grated sea salt, and a bit of some cloves, just to get rid of all the unwanted rodents or insects that I do not want it near my tilapia fish. So it's very important to get these ingredients. Important to get rid of the excess water, so I'm going to use my chicken towel paper to tap it dry, very nice and dry. And once I'm done with that, all that I have to do is fill my tilapia fish with a good amount of salt. And note here, I am not using the regular table salt. I have used that in the past, and I thought it made the tilapia fish extra salty because that really easily dissolves. I always make my tilapia come out very extremely salty. I know tilapia is supposed to be salty, but anytime that I use the table salt, I find it way too salty, almost that you cannot enjoy it. So I highly recommend that you use the sea salt or the grated sea salt. Pink Himalayan salt is also very good. Just use that and you're going to see a very great results out of that. So go ahead and make sure you're generous with your salt. Fill all the holes that the tilapia fish has with the salt, and it's going to get rid of the extra moist or the retention of moisture in the fish. This fish flesh has lots of moisture, and it is really good to use this dehydration process that has been used for ages. It works all the time. So I'll just spread a little bit of cloves on top as well, just in case any rodents of insects are coming across. It's going to drive them away quickly. Okay, and I'm going to put these heavy objects on top just so that it'll help make the process very great. So this is day 3, and boy, tilapia fish is nice and very firm now, which I absolutely love, but I just want it to be very nice and even more dry. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the salt that has been in it for the past 3 days and fill it up with the new amount of salt. Just in case you're wondering if it's going to smell or anything, it's not. It's actually smell really nice. It's fresh, just like how you will smell tilapia fish. It is not bad at all. So I'm going to go ahead, as I said, get rid of the excess salt and make sure I fill them holes with new salt. And there are lots of controversies surrounding this fish lately because people do not want to go through the long process of curing it. They just want it too fast, and curing this will take you maximum 7 days to get it very nicely dried and very fresh. And as usual, people want things done very fast lately. People are using formalin to make this go faster, like 2 days they get this done. But do it at home so that your mind will be at peace. I promise you it comes out the same way and even better. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and fill it with a second batch of salt, layer it with the salt and go ahead and cover it this time with my napkin and also add a bit of heavy substance on it and go ahead and put it right there. Allow this to stay for another 3 days maximum, and you'll find out, you'll see how it will look. It looks so nice after this. Always do not forget to add a splash of cloves, and it gives a very nice flavor as well, and it is absolutely incredible. Very great. If you have this done every time at home, you're not going to buy any Koobi from the outside or on the market anymore. Trust me, it is so amazing. So after curing this for about 6 days, it is time to remove all the salt. The curing process is nicely done, but I just want it to be very nice and dry, so I'm going to put this in a net and put it in under the sun for a couple of days, or until you can finally realize that it is very nice and dry. Even in this stage, you can just use it as it is, but I love it to be very nice and dry. It is so good. If you are in an area that is rainy or you don't have like that pleasant weather, go ahead and put it under your gas. Or in about winter days, I normally keep it under my gas, and it always keeps very dry the way I want it to be. So yes, it is very nice and dry, and as you can see, it looks just like the Koobi that you buy on the market. And yes, I'm going to get rid of all the extra salt and I'm good to go. I like to go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces and use it whenever that I needed. I started with 3 tilapia. I had to give one out, so I ended up having 2 for myself, and it was so good. Comment below the next recipe you think I'll be using the tilapia fish or the Koobi for. It is so amazing how you can make everything almost at home now. So please be sure to like this video, share with your friends and family, so that you can help someone out there. It's absolutely incredibly wonderful. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe, and I hope that you're going to give it a try. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.